Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignments done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this training for you, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Now click on this exam to start this. So we will click on start button to start the exam. In this video I will solve this exam completely. I will solve each and every single question for you, and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. But I can do this complete course for you as well. So you can reach me out through WhatsApp or email showing at the bottom of the screen. So let this open first. So total questions to solve in this simulation exam are 21. And you can see the question at bottom left of the screen. Sort the table by director in alphabetical order. Director field is here. We will go to sort and we will sort it A to Z. Okay. Sort the table by streaming revenues. Streaming revenues are given here. And we will sort this from smallest to largest. Largest to smallest. We will sort this from largest to smallest. And that is all about question number 1. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 2. Sort the table by genre in the alphabetical order. Here we will sort this in A to Z. Use the sort dialog box, go to sort, and we are supposed to add a level, and we are supposed to sort by director field in alphabetical order, add a third level by streaming revenues, and in largest to smallest, and click OK. That is question number 2. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 3. Set the range A3 up to G12 as the print area. We will select A3 up to G12. A3 up to G12, go to page layout and go to set print area and click set print area. Now reduce the scaling to 90% here and clear the print area. Again go to print area and clear the print area. Okay, that is all about question number 3. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 4. Set the filter to display release date between. So we are supposed to apply the filter to dates column, and dates column is here release date. Go to date filter and we will select between filter, and here we will type 1/1/2015, and here 7/31/2015 again. Okay, click OK. So that is all about question number 4. So we are supposed to do question number 5 now. Set a filter to display records for which the rating is PG-13 only. Go to rating filter, unselect all these and only select PG-13 and click OK. Without clearing the existing filter, set a filter to display record for which the genre is comedy. Go to genre and unselect all these and only select comedy and click OK. So that is all about question number 5. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 6. With cell A3 selected, create a table from the existing data, accept all the default setting, go to insert tab, go to table and click OK. On the table design tab, we will remove this name and we will give the new name, that is download Emporium. Press, let me see what is the error. Download this one. Okay, we have given the name to the table. That was question number 6. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 7. Apply red table style medium 10. Go to table style and we are supposed to apply red table style medium 10, this one. That is question number 7. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 8. Add a new table row on row 30. Go to row 30 first. Row 30 is here. Select that one, right click and click insert. Now in row 30 we are supposed to type pi in the sky. In the sky, press tab and type PG and press tab. Okay, we are supposed to go to row 59 and we will type garbage man, type R and press tab again. That is question number 8. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 9. Okay, select the range G4 up to G20, G4 up to G20. Okay, and we are supposed to set a number filter to display record where the revenue is greater than or equal to. Go to filter. Okay, go to filter, go to number filter and greater than or equal to, it should be greater than or equal to 125 and click OK. That is question number 9. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 10. Okay, create a new conditional formatting rule that uses a formula to determine which says OK in the range A4 up to A57. We will first select this range, go to conditional formatting and click new rule, and here we will select use a formula to determine. Here we are supposed to type this formula, that is saying and B4 is equal to PG 13. Okay, then comma I4 greater than 125 and this one, and we are supposed to, okay, one second, and B4 is equal to PG 13. Okay, and I4 is greater than 125. One second, why it is giving me error? PG 13. And B4 is equal to PG 13 and I4 greater than 125. Let me see, there is space here or not. Why it is giving me error? Let me see. Why? Let me see again. Okay, and click format, and then we are supposed to apply bold and blue font color. So color should be blue. This one, and click OK. And click OK. Added the conditional rule, manage rules, added this, and we are supposed to click format and yellow fill background color, this one. Okay, click OK. That is all about question number 10. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 11. In cell H4, calculate the donation amount by multiplying. H4 is here. We are supposed to multiply the streaming revenues, multiply this by the percentage in cell I1, and we are supposed to use absolute reference for this I1. So we will use the dollar sign here. Okay, then in cell I4 here we are supposed to subtract the donation from the streaming revenues. Streaming revenues here, we will subtract the donation from the streaming revenue and we will get this. That is all about question number 11. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 12. Apply conditional formatting to display gradient orange data bars for the donation data in cell H4 up to cell H57. So we will select H4 up to H57, go to conditional formatting rule, go to bars, gradient orange data bars, this one. Okay, that is question number 12. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 13. Change the order for the genre sort level to the following custom list. Go to sort and genre is here, and here we are supposed to select custom list. Here we will type the list, that is comedy. Okay, then drama. Oh, sorry. Comedy, drama, adventure, horror, and foreign. Okay, click add. We will select this list, click OK and click OK. That is question number 13. So now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 14. Remove the duplicates record in the table. Okay, go to table design, remove duplicates record, click OK and click OK. That is question number 14. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 15. Select row 1 to 3 as the title to repeat. Go to page layout, print titles, and we are supposed to select row 1 up to 3. Okay, click OK. Again, print title, click in the formula and select column A and click OK. Go to File tab, go to Print 3 pages and then click Print. Okay, that is all about question number 15. Now we are supposed to do question number 16. Delete the writer table column from the here. Right click on that, delete table column. Type donation in cell H3. H3 is here and we are supposed to type donation here. After typing the donation, press enter. Type profit in cell I3, profit, and press enter. That is all about question number 16. Now we are supposed to do next question, that is question number 17. Display the worksheet in page break view. Go to view tab and page break view. Insert a page break between the row 39 and row 40. Click row 40 here and go to page layout, go to breaks and click insert page break. Here, why it is giving me row 39 and row 40? Here, select A40 and then insert the page break. That is question number 17. Now we are supposed to do question number 18. Show the total row. Go to table design and check the box for the total row. Okay, then it is saying select the sum function for the donation and profit column. Donation and profit column. Here we are supposed to use sum function. And for, okay, that is already selected. Now we are supposed to do question number 19. Apply conditional formatting for top 5 item in the profit column. So we will select the profit column first from I4 up to I57. Okay, select this. Conditional formatting, top 10. Here we will make this to 5 and that should be green fill with dark green text. This one, click OK. Question number 20 we are supposed to do now. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. Go to view tab, go to panes and freeze top row. Unfreeze the pane, click cell B4 here and freeze the pane again. Okay, that is question number 20. So now we are supposed to do last question for this simulation exam, that is question number 21. Apply conditional formatting that highlight the cells containing PG13. We will select B4 up to B57. Okay, conditional formatting rule, highlight cell rule, contains the text PG13. Okay, red fill with dark red text, this one. So I have solved all of the questions for you in this video. So you can see the result that I got 100 out of 100 in this simulation exam here. If you want me to do this exam for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much. I will get back to you with another video.